A service is an intangible act or use for which a consumer, firm, or government is willing to pay. Intangibility of services is derived from the fact that you cannot see or touch a service. A service is made and delivered on spot, and hence it cannot be measured as easily as a tangible product. Perishability is used in marketing to describe the way in which service capacity cannot be stored for sale in the future. It is a key concept of services marketing. Service variability may be defined as the changes in the quality of the same service provided by different vendors. The change varies because of the nature of the service, the person who provides, the time of the year when it is provided. Service consumer benefits, service-specific functional parameters, service delivery point, service consumer count, service delivery readiness time, service consumer support times, service consumer support language, service fulfillment target, service impairment duration, service delivery duration, service delivery unit, service delivery price. Benefits that are triggerable, consumable and effectively utilizable for any authorized service consumer and that are rendered upon request. These benefits must be described in terms that are meaningful to consumers, parameters that are essential to the respective service and that describe the important dimension of the service's scope, the service output or the service outcome, for example, whether the passenger sits in an aisle or window seat, the physical location and or logical interface where the benefits of the service are rendered to the consumer. At this point, the service delivery preparation can be assessed and delivery can be monitored and controlled. The number of consumers that are enabled to consume a service. The moments when the service is available, and all the specified service elements are available at the delivery point. The moments when the support team is available. The service desk is the single point of contact for service inquiries. At those times, the service desk can be reached via commonly available communication methods. The language spoken by the service desk. The provider's promise to deliver the service, expressed as the ratio of the count of successful service deliveries to the count of service requests by a single consumer or consumer group over some time period. The maximum allowable interval between the first occurrence of a service impairment and the full resumption and completion of the service delivery. The maximum allowable period for effectively rendering all service benefits to the consumer. The scope/number of action that constitute a delivered service serves as the reference object for the service delivering price, for all service costs as well as for charging and billing. The amount of money the customer pays to receive a service. Typically, the price includes a service access price that qualifies the consumer to request the service and a service consumption price for each delivered service. Delivery is the process of transporting goods from a source location to a predefined destination. The delivery of a service typically involves 6 factors: service provider, equipment used to provide the service, physical facilities, service consumer, other customers at the service delivery location, customer contact,